Day 2 started. We started from Madhurai to Kanyakumari.
Day 2.
Kondareddy got his bike punctured. We are having puncture in Madhurai. See this guy. 2 punctures. Second day. This is Ramco Cement Factory in Vididinagar on the way to Kanyakumari. Here is the place where Singham movie got shooted, where Prakash Raj will be going with his cars here. Here is our Hotel Blue Sea. See, here these guys are showing this side, but there nothing, and the hotel is this side. So this is the hotel room in Hotel Blue Sea. 3 bedroom, this bed and that bed. That's it. That is 50 rupees queue to ferry. Hi, we reached Kanyakumari and now we are going to what is that man? Vivekananda Rock Memorial. Here there are 2 tickets, 50 rupees and 200 rupees.
We have taken 200 rupees.
We are going to take 200 rupees ticket, which is like a fast track. Why? Because there is a huge queue. You can see that. And the timings is 9 to 4, right? Sorry, 8:30 to 4. After 4 they won't be giving any tickets. So if you want to visit, you have to go before 4 o'clock. And now time is 3 o'clock. That's why we took this line. We reached Vivekananda Rock Memorial. We are going inside. We are unable to go to Tiruvalluvar because due to low tides it is closed. After reaching here again we need to take one more ticket, 20 rupees per head. After coming to Rock Memorial, take one more ticket, which is 20 rupees per head. So whenever you get on the boat, you directly go and take the ticket. Sunrise calendar where the sun is, in which month which date where it is. Now it is December, so it will Jan, it will there. Sorry, December it will rise here. If it is July, we are done here, so we'll take some few photos and we'll leave this place. See you. So the point behind me, where the flag is there, maybe you can't see. That is the point where it is called as Triveni Sangam, where all three water bodies meet, like Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So that is Arabian Sea, and this is Indian Ocean, and that is Bay of Bengal, not this day. So Bharat is going to tell us about Tiruvallar. Let's listen.
This is Tiruvalluvar statue. This height feet is 133. Why? Because he wrote 133 chapters of Tirukural. So each chapters have 10 songs. So totally 1330. So this statue's mentioned height is 133 from his feet to head, totally 133 feet. This statue instated with the Karna Nadi.
Finally, we are done with day 2 in Kanyakumari. Fully tired, finished, just roaming in the market and doing window shopping.
You can see this is the market. It's near beach.
See you in the day 3.
Bye bye.